Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jano. Hold on. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jano. Hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so today y'all know I said to tell y'all something on Friday, but I just didn't feel like, I felt so bad after school yesterday. Even though we got early, I just didn't feel like making a video. But I had went to Chick-fil-A last night, and my mom had got this salad or whatever, and she said she didn't want it because it wasn't spicy. So yeah, I'm gonna eat it, and I'm gonna talk to y'all because we gotta get some things. But my salad is from Chick-fil-A, so let's make a good. Girl, let that nigga know. If he ain't breaking bread, then he gotta go. Right back to where you met him. These fuck niggas want you to sweat them. They'll bring you to the ground if you let them. Period. So yeah, y'all. When I was doing time, y'all was doing fine. But when I come home, it's over for y'all hoes. Get their ass, Miami. Y'all know I love the city girls. So I got so this is like a regular Cobb salad with avocado, lime, ranch. I like this one. It's really good, y'all. So let's just open this. Fuck a rap bitch, I'll ride a bitch, period. To really see the vision, he ain't clearing it. Come home. Get them gone. Sorry y'all, I was concentrating on this right here. Game over. But yeah y'all, but let's just start back. So this week, y'all, has been so stressful. I had finals. I had everything you can think of. I had it. I had finals. We had this week. We had to dress up. I had a onesie on. Y'all saw that on my Instagram. I look so good, no matter what. Yeah, it was so fun. I'm just so glad that week is over with because now like I have a whole 2 weeks off from school. I'm so happy. And yeah, like I need a break from school, to be honest, because like everyone's just been so crazy and be acting so sensitive. Like we need a break from each other. Everyone needs a break from school because last week was a mess. It was a big mess, like whatever. Oh, we did Secret Santa too, y'all. Hold on. So, y'all know, if you guys watched the last video, I had to hurry, and you guys want to see what I bought her, go check it out and go watch that video. But I had Audrey, and she was my secret person that got me. So this is what she got me, y'all. She got me this nice polo long sleeve shirt. Hold on. I had it upside down. She got me this, y'all. It's so nice. I love it because like it's the same like material I always buy for my polo shirts. I love it. And then I got some pins also, which I needed pins. She heard me, so like yeah, I love these pins, and like she heard me when I said them, so I'm happy. And like I have some chips, but I ate them yesterday with my sandwich that I had made when I got home. So yeah, so thank you so much, Audrey. I love you. Hope you have a great freaking Christmas, because like you're really the best. Like I'm so happy you bought me something that like I actually like. I was scared at first, I'm not even gonna lie. Like I didn't know she had me, but like after me finding out she had me, oh yeah, I was like, okay, I'm good. I ain't got nothing to worry about. It's Audrey. She dressed nice, so she know. I wish I had some of that barbecue sauce. Like that stuff smacks. I put that on my salad too. No, this is a big salad, man. Oh no. It adds more dressing because it look a little dry. I don't like putting my dressing in all at one time because like when you mix it up, you don't know if you want to mix it at the bottom too. But y'all, everybody just been asking me a lot of questions lately, like who is the new person I'm talking to, all this other stuff, and I personally, I'm just gonna like keep it a secret, period, like for now, because I don't know how I feel about putting my business out there, but like, yeah, I'm so happy right now, y'all. Like, earlier this week, I was so mad because like a lot of stuff happened with like my friend or whatever. We stopped being friends, and it was just like so petty. But at the end of the day, I was just like, whatever. Like, people have to outgrow each other, so I couldn't be mad. Like what I'm be mad about? Like, baby, you go your way, I go mine. Ain't no beef, ain't no none of that. I don't got time for that. At the end of the day, God does everything for a reason. And sometimes friends are needed to be separated from. And whether that's like permanent or like momentarily, you need a break from your friends at the end of the day. Cause like, especially with them 24/7, that's just how I look at it. Like, baby, I'm still gonna be here for you no matter what. And that's just that. Like, suck it, baby. Suck up on that, click into that pussy, got a hickey, baby. Wash big with a bottle of Range Rover. Change on the bus, put the change on them. Nigga back, I don't put the game on them. They'll die by me, they'll bang on them. That's my song. Yeah. Hold on. Itty bitty pretty, I'm the realest in the city. Only rugged with the blood, with these fucking people. Oh yeah, but y'all, I have some good news. So I made this new outfit yesterday on for Flesh, and I'm gonna put it right here on the camera, and it's so nice, y'all. Everyone has loved it. Like, I'm so happy. I got like 3 more orders. I have to put those in. Like, I'm so happy right now with this. But there's so much more coming up, y'all. Like, I have honestly have found love in this business. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, my mom be telling me like I need to go up my prices because I don't like make a lot off of it because of my price. I have like cheap prices because the stuff, how much I pay for the stuff is like only the $10 difference of my profit. So I only make like $10 of a profit, and I was just like, it's like so hard for me because like I don't want to move up my prices and people stop buying stuff from me, like, you know. But I think I'm going to have to do that because like, honestly, I'm not making like a lot of money off of these things that I sell. So like, yeah, I'll move them up like a little bit, not a lot. Now, like, I also want to add more outfits. I just ordered some. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that. Y'all know I love food. It's so good. Oh, I'm tripping. Yeah, but I woke up at like 10 something, and I don't know what. Oof. Who was in me this morning? Because it wasn't Jalen. Probably was Jalen. Y'all don't know me. My middle name is Jalen. So yeah, it probably was him. Because I woke up this morning, I cleaned up my room. I freaking vacuumed my room. I vacuumed the whole house. I freaking folded up some clothes. And I'm just like, what? I never do that. Unless I want to go somewhere, but I don't want to go nowhere. That season. Trying to blow bad, trying to blow bad. Trying to blow bad, trying to blow bad. It's that season. Blow a bag. Hey. It's that season, you gon' cut it in the wet. I want an AP watching, you gon' flood in the wet. All day you look alright, gotta be nobody. Wanna get my teeth done and get a new body, small enough, but you knew about it. So when I ask you for shit, don't be confused by it. What a boots, what a songs, what the rolls at? Put me on Chicabana, put me in some new shit. Makeup, fancy, like I get my hair done. I like it when I grip that. Look at my. That season. Y'all better tell y'all boyfriend out there, it's that season. Like, period. Not bad. And, but y'all, what's been up with y'all? I need to know. Like, first of all, you got me fucked up. I ain't doing shit unless I get my dick sucked. Anyway, is you down to let my friends suck? Wish I would go and ride a bad bitch a big truck. Yeah, 7 days a week. It's that season. I got my hand out even when I leave my hands out. But you got your flash out. I can see now. Period. I love the city girls. Like, now I love them. I'm into them now. Like, this album I listen to right now goes off, y'all. It's that season. Good person niggas know I got that leaking in. Period. Like, I love this song. I love this album. Like, it goes off. Alright. For real. My favorite song on here is Act Up and Cloudcation. What's up, Colin? I don't know what he's doing. He's all closing my door. But yeah, you know, I think I want to get a light ring and a little I'm thinking about throwing this down right here in the trash and get like some clothes hangers so I can hang up the fresh stuff instead of like folding it and like I bought some nice like hangers and stuff for it and like throw all that stuff right here in the trash and put some hangers right there and get a light ring for my trying to put it right there. What's up, my cousin? Go give it to Destin. Go get your tablet to Destin so you can put it on the charger.
Cool.
Tell Destin to put your tablet on the charger.
No.
He is so crazy, y'all. I love him. This is my song, though. Yeah. If you're... I'm not lying, y'all. I'm even full. Like, I ate half of it. But y'all, 2019, I'm so prepared. Like, that's the year. I think I always say this song because each year I feel like it's my year because you grow and like you learn new things. Like I learned so much new things about just me personally and like me as like a business person. Me just like even YouTube, I learned some more stuff. Like you experience more things as you grow. So totally, 2019 is gonna be my year. Like period. I am more like confident in myself. Like I'm just so happy. Like no one could knock me off my high horse right now. Like, but I'm a hoe and we should get no play. Wait. I was scrub ass nigga with my hug ass nigga. That line right there go hard. She said, I'm damn baby with my hug ass nigga. You know like when you like go somewhere and walk past somebody, they be like, damn baby, where my hug at? Like, you know, like you not gonna speak, stuff like that. Like, what man? Broke niggas. Like, I live my best life for real. Like, I don't know what's just going on in the apples I'm taking, but I'm good though. My song, come on. Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Ain't bring a bad hoe, 5 6 figure. Stripes on my ass when he comes. Ass bitch, bad attitude. Has no attitude. But baby, that is fucking me and sucking me. He don't answer you, bitch, just because of me, period. Oh my god, y'all, I have been like so like in this area just been so annoyed. Like my throat has just been annoyed. Like this right here is not it. But y'all, Christmas is on Tuesday. I'm so excited. Not really though. It don't feel like Christmas and shit. Like it's hot outside right now. Like it's okay. Right. It's been so hot that right now I can go outside some shorts. It's not even cold outside to me. Tell your little bitch stop cloud chasing. Period. Not basic. Do. I'm gonna know how to dance, y'all. I'm not a dance, so don't mind me. I do not know how to dance. It's just so crazy. Stop cloud chasing. Stop cloud chasing. You don't want no beef. I'm a pretty bitch, but we can take it to the streets. I ain't playing with you, hoe. Ain't no kiki. I ain't bitches trying to go. That's not what you think. Bitch, stay in my comments and all that shit unless you want to fight. I put my you acting blind, bitch. I sit on side. I'm tired of her. What's wrong? Come here. Come here, let me see. He's crazy. Let me see ya. He is crazy, y'all. He be just doing the most. I know y'all be like, this nigga MUKBANG is not like a regular mukbang. But I just be needing to vent sometimes, like I just be like needing to talk to y'all because I feel like on my YouTube channel no one can hurt me. Like this is where like I get my side out, where I get my vision out. Like you picked the wrong one. Lay back and try me, I'ma go dumb. Oh, don't run. I don't know none. Bitch is sweet, run from me, get your ass beat. Bitch, I'm still gonna eat. Just a profile, a little blocking elite. Bitch, trick or treat. I'm strapped up. I'm iced out. Hey, oh, hey. I'm piping out. When it caught the roll, they ain't got it. Yeah. But what I was saying, yeah, my mukbang is not normal. Like, I was doing whatever. That's because, like, I love my channel. I love my people on here. Like, I'm just so happy. But, yeah, y'all. I'm so full, but I'm gonna just keep eating this. My room smells good, y'all. It smells like strawberry lemonade. Like, y'all don't even understand. I'm so happy right now. But I just hope everybody else is happy. Everybody else feeling fine, feeling good. Because God has blessed you to live another year. Like, I really just can't complain at this point right now. Like, I'm living. Like, man, God is good. Like, I'm so happy. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna end this video because I'm full, I'm sleepy. But so y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And midnight snack. You know, never like her. I know something for you. It's so good, y'all. But anyway, I'm about to end the video. I know y'all was like, you just ended the video 30 seconds ago. But I'm gonna end the video right now. So y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a big thumbs up on all of my videos. Go watch all my other videos if you haven't already through this Christmas break. Go binge watch my videos. And yeah, fall in love with them. Like I fall in love with y'all. So thank you guys all for supporting me. And I'll see you guys before Christmas. Have a great Merry Christmas. I love you guys. And I'm Jado and I'm out. Peace.
Going up, going up, going up.